Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. So today we are going to see how to craft a saddle in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and ride a horse or something, and so therefore you need a saddle. By default, to go and get a saddle, you need to go and start exploring, finding structures like villages, temples, things like that, and then you will find chests there which you can go and find the saddle in. However, this isn't always ideal, so you want to go and craft one. To go and do this, what we will need to do is at first come out of the Minecraft. Then we will go and bring you to this data pack here. A data pack is essentially a mod which is even easier to install than a mod. What we can do is go and press versions at the top. We will go and get the data pack and press the download button to the right, and it's now downloaded. What we can do is in Minecraft is press single player, find the world and press edit with it selected. Press open a world folder, come into data packs, and what we need to do is go and open up our downloads. Here we will go and find the data pack, and then you can now drag and drop in it. To craft the saddle, what you need to do is you will need 5 leather and 2 tripwire hooks. Place this in the bottom of the crafting table. You can see there it is, this formation, then there where we go. We have now gotten a saddle and we can use it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.